My name's Harry Martin. I'm a community apprentice and I do a level 2 community activator coach. I didn't really have any experience with coaching before this, but now I feel like it's made me more confident in myself, speaking to people and creating networks and relationships. Say if I'm not doing a session and I'm observing, I'll speak to the parents and get to know the parent and the participant of like what he wants to work on and stuff like that. I do coaching club on a Saturday from the age of 6 to 13. So I normally do my own sessions on there, but on a Tuesday I do an advanced training centre and I watch somebody at another coach's sessions and I put my own spin on that session on the Saturdays. And then I'll learn from there and I observe it. Like, you've got to shadow, because normally I'm quite a person there who takes lead or whatever and stuff like that, but now I have to kind of like watch myself and kind of say, listen, I need to shadow, and then I do it off the job. So I started off as a volunteer at Stoke, so when I was on that annual leave and stuff like that, I'd come in and I'd do some sessions. I really enjoyed it, so I just thought, I said, the next job that comes out, just let us know. They sent it to me and I was like, why not? I just wanted to be involved in Stoke because I'm a massive Stoke fan, and as a coach you think I've got to do all these like risk assessments and stuff like that, where you do, but I think you've got a bit of leeway. You've got more practical than you have theory, which is good for a person like me anyway. But then you've got to remember you've got to do the theory. I think that's where, because you get so caught up in doing your practical and then you realise I've got a meeting on Friday and you've got to do all your work, so you've just got to make sure that you keep on top of it. Do it. I think once you do it, you want to know what kind of person you are and what kind of jobs you want to go into. Like, this could lead to something else that you don't think. So you could start as a coach here, but then you could also, oh, you know what, I'd like to be an administrator, but then you get to know the administrators at the club, and then you get your foot in your door somewhere else. So it opens your horizons to loads of opportunities, from apprentice to wherever.